intellectuals. I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy.
You want power, you want skill.
Money is a small coin. Health is a big coin. Love is a lucky coin. Relationships are the sweet coin. But the friendship is the golden coin. Hello intellectuals, I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. In the previous video, I had already explained about the function, types of functions and many more things. Now today's topic is functional value. What is functional value? It is the value of a function at the given domain. The domain means the value of x. I am just going to explain it by an example. Let we have here fx equals to 2x minus 3, right? When you put the value of x as any number, let it's 1, there's a 2 into 1 minus 3, that's 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1. If you put the value of x as 2, that is 2 into 2 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, that is 1. Let's add one more value, that is f5, that is 2 into 5 minus 3, 10 minus 3, that is 7. We can find a number of values at different values of x. If you put the value of x as 1, we got minus 1. Add 2, we got 1, and add the value of 5, we got 7. These minus 1, 1, 7, you see, these all are the functional value. 1, 2, 5, they are the domain. And minus 1, 1, 7, you can say functional value as well as you can say range also. So the functional value means the value of the function at the given value of x, that's the given value of the domain. Moving forward, I have explained some questions. And the first number is, if fx equals to 2x minus 5 and the values of x lies between minus 2 to 2, but the values of x is actually minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and not 2. You can see here the value of x is less than 2, right? So under this condition, I'm going to find out the value of range and I'm going to show it in a mapping diagram. So first of all here, this is the function, yes, you can see. So we can write here fx equals to 2x minus 5, right? And value of x also we can find, and the values of x will be minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1 only. Yes, I think all of you know the meaning of this sign, that is less than 2. Okay, that's not 2. And all these values of x are the input, it means they are the domain. So I'm going to find out all the functional value at the given values of x. So first of all here, okay, therefore f minus 2, right, equals to 2 into minus 2 minus 5, that is minus 4 minus 5 and that is minus 9. Similarly, f minus 1 equals to 2 into minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 2 minus 5 and that is minus 7. Similarly, f0, that is 2 into 0 minus 5 and 2 times 0 equals to 0. Yes, all of you know. So that's 0 minus 5 and that is minus 5. Similarly, the last one is f1 equals to 2 into 1 minus 5, that is 2, that is 2 minus 5, that is minus 3, right? So minus 9, minus 7, minus 5 and minus 3 are the functional value at the given values of x. So we can write here, therefore range equals to, we can write here minus 9, minus 7, minus 5 and minus 3. So these are the range, right? And the question is asking that find the range. Yes, we have already found the range. And if the question is asking that find the domain, then the domain is the values of x, right? So domain will be minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Now I'm going to show it in a mapping diagram, that's arrow diagram. So arrow diagram. Yes, we can write here arrow diagram, right? So how to show it in a arrow diagram? So first of all, in arrow diagram, we need here A, then B. Yes, you can see A and B. A means the set of the domain and B is the set of a range. So A, we write here -2, -1, 0 and 1. Likewise, B we have here -9, -7, -5 and -3. And then we are going to make pair, right? So here, and this is the function, so we can write here f, and it is from A to B. So this is the mapping diagram. I hope you are understanding. So moving to the second question, we have here. Here you can see fx equals to x minus 5 to x plus 1 3x, and we have the condition, right? So in one question, actually we have 3 questions. So fx is equal to x minus 5, and it's valid for all the values of x which are less than or equals to 5 and more than 0. It is more than or equals to 3 and less than 5, and it is more than or equals to 5 and less than 7, right? So how to get this value f2? Have a look here. 2, right? So actually 2 lies in which function? Upper one, middle one, or down one, right? So 2, the value of x, value of the function or the input 2 is valid in the first number, right? Because here x is less than or equals to 2, isn't it? So we can write here, first of all, for x equals to 2, right? We can write here fx equals to x minus 5, which implies that f2 equals to 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. Yes, likewise, that's the first number. The second number is f5, right? So for x equals to 5, have a look here. Here the value of x is less than 5, so we cannot select 2x plus 1. But here the value of x is more than and equals to 5 as well. So the last option is correct for x equals to 5. So we can write here fx equals to 3x, and which gives us f5 equals to 3 into 5, that is 15. Likewise, we have here 3, and number 3 we have here f6. So for x equals to 6, you can see x equals to 6 here, value of x is less than and equals to 7, and 6 is less than 7, and 6 is more than 5 as well, right? So here also the same condition, that is fx equals to 3x, and which gives us f6 equals to 3 into 6, that is 18. Similarly, number 4, we see here, number 4, we have f4. So we can write here for x equals to 4. Have a look here, x equals to 4. So 4 is less than 5, right? And 4 is more than 3, isn't it? So we have to select here for x is equal to 4, fx equals to 2x plus 1. And in this condition, f4 will be 2 into 4 plus 1, that's 8 plus 1, and that is 9. Likewise, number 5. Number 5 we have here f0. It is f0, right? Actually it's f0. So for x is equal to 0, see carefully here, f0 we have, so value of x is more than 0, right? But here the value of x should be 0. So actually according to this condition, f0 is not defined. So we can say that not defined. Once again, I just like to repeat it. f0 is not defined. Why? The value of x is more than 0, not equal to 0. So we can write x0, that's a f0 is not defined, isn't it? So it is f0 is not defined. Similarly here we see here f8, number 6, that's f8, and we can see here the value of x here, that is less than 7 and equals to 7. So f8 is also not defined. So we can write here f8 is not defined. That is not defined. Isn't it? So hope all of you are understanding the meaning of f8 and f0, why they are not defined. Next question is fx plus 5 equals to fx plus f5. Then we have to prove f0 equals to 0 and f minus 5 equals to minus f5. Actually, first of all, what do we see here? We have fx plus 5 equals to fx plus f5, right? For the first number, we have here f0. f0 means input is 0, right? So here, when x equals to 0, because input is 0, when x is equal to 0, so we can write here f0 plus 5 equals to f0 plus f5. Isn't it? Why x equals to 0? Because here input is 0, right? Now we can write here 0 plus 5 means f5, and here is f0 and there is f5, and now this f5 is taken to the left hand side. Then we get f5 minus f5, that is f0, and f5 minus f5, that is 0, equals to f5, f0. Therefore, f0 equals 0. 1 is proved. Similarly, in the second number, we see the second part, f minus 5 equals to minus f5. Here, input is minus 5, isn't it? So we are going to replace x by minus 5. So when x equals to minus 5, again we are going to repeat f minus 5 plus 5. Have a look here. X is replaced by minus 5, right? Because input is minus 5. So at the right hand side as well, we write here f minus 5 plus f5. After that, minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So we can write here f0 equals to f minus 5 plus f5. And recently we have already proved f0 equals to 0. So we can write here or 0 equals to f minus 5 plus f5, right? Just we can write inside the bracket f0 equals to 0. According to the question, f minus 5 is at the left hand side. So we write here f minus 5, f5 is at another side. So we are going to take f5 to the left hand side and the sign changes. So we have here minus f5 equals to f minus 5. And then we can write here, therefore, f minus 5 equals to minus f5, and that's proved. It's very important questions. Now, moving forward, the next question is, if x plus 3 is equal to x minus 4, find the values of fx, f2, and fx plus 2. So first of all, we have to write here, we have fx plus 3 equals to x minus 4, right? The first number, we are going to find the value of fx. So how to get the value of fx? So to get the value of fx, we have to remove 3, isn't it? We have to eliminate 3. How to eliminate? We need minus 3, right? So we can write here f, have a look here and try to understand. We are not going to subtract 3, okay? We are not going to write minus 3. We are going to replace x by minus 3. Yes, you are listening correctly. Replacing x by minus 3, okay? Here is x, so we replace x by x minus 3. X is replaced by x minus 3. Then we have here 3. And at the right hand side also we have to replace x by x minus 3. So here also we have here x minus 3 and minus 4. After that, we can write here fx, because 3 will cancel, just you can cut plus 3 and minus 3, and here we can write here x minus 7. Hope all of you are understanding, isn't it? Because not to forget that here I haven't added or I haven't subtracted minus 3 from both the sides, right? Not to forget it, x is replaced by x minus 3, right? Moving forward, here is f2, right? Here f2. So now we can replace x by 2. So we can write here f2 equals to 2 minus 7, that is minus 5. Similarly, fx plus 2 we have also. So, and fx plus 2. Have a look here, x plus 2. So we are going to replace x by x plus 2. Not to forget that. We can replace only in function. So when we replace x by x plus 2, here in this case, have a look here, x became x plus 2. So at the right hand side, also x becomes x plus 2. And there's a minus 7, and that gives us x minus 5. Hope all of you are understanding. The next question we have, f 2x minus 3 equals to 3x plus 2, and we have to find out the value of fx, f1 by 2, f minus 2, fx plus 1. So this question is very important, and that question will clarify about all the replacement of the x, that's a domain. So first of all, we have to write here, we have f 2x minus 3 equals to 3x plus 2. Now, we have to get fx. So to get fx, first of all, you have to remove 2, right? So how to remove 2? Here the first number, first of all, here, okay. Here the first number actually. To get x, we are going to remove x, right? So we can write here f2, and x is replaced by x by 2. Not to forget that, okay? Because we have to eliminate 2. So we are not going to divide by 2, okay? We are going to eliminate x, okay? And to eliminate x, we are going to replace x by 2. So we can write here x by 2. And there's a minus 3. So we replaced x by 2 at the left hand side. So we are going to replace x by 2 at the right hand side as well. Of course, you have to do. And then when we simplify it, then we'll get here x minus 3, and here 3x by 2 plus 2, and then we can take LCM is 2, so there is a 3x plus 4, right? After that, we are going to remove minus 3 as well, right? So to remove minus 3, I am going to replace x by x plus 3, eliminate x and replace and put x plus 2. Okay, so at the place of x, I can write here x plus 3, there's a minus 3. And what we do at the left hand side, we have to do accordingly at the right hand side as well. So we can write here 3 times x plus 3, there's a plus 4 by 2. Right? I think hope you are understanding. Here also x is replaced by x plus 3, and here also we have to replace x by x plus 3. Now the simplification here, that becomes fx, and here just open the bracket, 3x plus 9 plus 4 over 2, and that gives us 3x plus 13 by 2. So that's the value of x, right? Therefore, number first, that's the first number, and we have fx is equal to this. We have already got the value of fx, right? Likewise, we are going to find the value of f1 by 2. So just replace x by 1 by 2. So here, number 2, we can write here f1 by 2. And if x is replaced by 1 by 2 at the left hand side, we have to replace x by 1 by 2 at the right hand side as well. So we can write here 3, there is 1 by 2 plus 13 over 2. Okay, so how to do the simplification, right? So here all over there is a 2, and that is 3 by 2 and plus 13, right? And this becomes here 3, and we have to multiply 13 and 2, right? So 13 into 2 is 26 by 2 and over 2, right? And this gives us 26 plus 3 is equal to 29, and you can write here 2 into 2, and that gives us 29 by 4. Hope you are understanding. Now the second one, that's the third one, there is supposed to be third one here, third one, that's the fourth, right? So here the third one is now f minus 2. So in the case of f minus 2, just remove x or replace x by minus 2. So we have f equal to this, so we can write it f minus 2 equals to, have a look here, it's 3 times minus 2 plus 13 over 2, and that is minus 6 plus 13 over 2, right? And minus 6 plus 13, we can write here 7 by 2, that's your answer. The last one is here, number 4, that is f x plus 1. We are going to remove x by x plus 1. So we have here fx equal to 3x plus 13 by 2. So fx plus 1 equals to 3x plus 1 plus 13 by 2. Just replace x and put x plus 1. So just this is 3x plus 3 plus 13 by 2, and that gives us 3x plus 16 over 2, right? And that is the value of fx plus 1. Okay, so we have already got the answers